Hello farmers, you're welcome to my channel once again. I'll be sharing an important topic with you today, the organic formulation and treatment of Newcastle disease. As you all know, Newcastle disease is a very stubborn and deadly disease when it comes to poultry farming, and every serious farmers must not joke with this disease. I have tried a drug and it works for me marvelously, so I want to share it with you today. Please take your time, watch this video to the very end, and you will gain a meaningful drug formulation which will help your farm. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. Subscribe. I love you. So now the first ingredient we'll be using today for this formulation is garlic. Garlic supplements in drinking water is effective to reduce mortality and enhance immunity against Newcastle disease virus. The second one today is our cayenne pepper, or you call it cayenne pepper. Pepper has found a very useful because it contains antiviral, antibacterial property when it comes to poultry farming. So it is very useful drug. The third on the list is aloe vera. Aloe vera juice is used in poultry farming, especially in the formulation of drug. This juice contains anthraquinone glycoside that acts as antiviral and anti-inflammatory agent. The fourth is neem leaf, and neem leaf, you know, it contains property that are effective against viral disease. Neem leaf has been used by many scientists, and they found the antiviral property to be very useful when it comes to viral disease treatment. This one is our bitter leaf. You all know bitter leaf has many phytochemicals which are found way in helping to cure and treat many bacterial disease, viral disease, and fungal disease when it comes to poultry farming. Apart from all this treatment, it can also help in boosting growth. Then our non-chlorinated water, will be needing water in this formulation as well. This is my digital scale, and our blender tool is there. So this item, you can read more on them. They have their combination can help in treating and preventing Newcastle disease. I'll be weighing them, so please stay glued to your TV or your phone so that you know the measurements, the rightful measurement, and the procedure of formulation. So this is our aloe vera gel. So I'll be making use of 200 gram of aloe vera gel. I will blend it. My blender is not too big, so I'll be blending them in batches, then mix together after the blending. So because my blender is not too big, so this is my aloe vera. I'll blend it. We'll blend everything together and we'll mix them up. I told you that aloe vera is very good when it comes to and treating viral disease in poultry farming. It has antiviral agent and anti-inflammatory agent. Pepper too, will be measuring 300 gram of pepper. My pepper, I think, is not enough. I have 290 something, but the right measurement for this formulation is 300 gram. So of pepper, I'll blend it together with it. So pepper is very good when it comes to antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory property in poultry birds. So this is my bitter leaf. I'll be measuring 300 gram of bitter leaf for this formulation as well. This bitter leaf, it contains many phytochemicals, as I said earlier. Bitter leaf does not just cure or treat diseases in poultry farming. Bitter leaf also acts as weight boosting agent. It boosts broilers' weight. How? Because it helps in the digestive system. It helps in digesting feed, so thereby helping the useful part of the feed to be assimilated by the villi, by the rightful channel. So this boosts weight as well, apart from the antiviral property. So you can't do without bitter leaf when it comes to poultry farming. So we'll make use of 300 gram of bitter leaf. Then we'll be going to our neem leaf. This neem leaf has found usefulness when it comes to poultry farming. Every part of neem is very important, but we're using the leaf. The leaf contain antiviral property, and this antiviral property is effective inhibitor of many viruses by binding to the spike glycoprotein RNA polymerase. which results in the prevention of both viral attachment and replication of virus in your birds. So you can't do without neem leaf when it comes to Newcastle treatment. Then our next thing is garlic. Garlic supplement, I told you, in drinking water is effective in reducing mortality when it comes to poultry farming, and it helps in enhancing immunity against diseases. It boosts the immune system of your birds. So garlic is a good phytochemical when it comes to immunity. When you want to boost the immune system of your birds, you give them garlic. If you are practicing organic poultry farm, even synthetic, without giving your bird garlic, then you are at risk. So have the culture of giving your birds garlic. Garlic is very, very good. It has many property that can help in well-being of your birds. So this is it. I'm done blending all my 5 ingredients together for this prevention and treatment of Newcastle disease. I've used this drug before making this video. I've used this drug. I've given a neighboring farmer to use to control the outbreak of Newcastle, and the result was very wow. So I do give my best as a preventive drug. I don't want to wait to experience mortality or the Newcastle problem before I will start treating. Treatment is not guaranteed when it comes to poultry farming. Prevention is a sure way. So I'm preparing this for prevention. I'll give it to my baby birds. They will take it and they will be immune against Newcastle disease and other viral disease. We can't complete this formulation without adding our almighty molasses. Molasses will help us to extract some phytochemicals out, and apart from that one, molasses will also help us to preserve it. So we're adding molasses to this formulation. 800 grams of molasses will be okay to preserve and to help in extracting the phytochemicals out of this ingredient. So I'll be measuring 800 grams of molasses, and I'll add it to my formulation. So after adding it to it, I will tell you what we'll do next: the dosage, the precaution, everything I will tell you in this video. So adding it to it, when you add your molasses to it, you have to turn, or you have to mix very well. Adding may have a very big blender that can contain this. I will have poured the molasses while blending for easy mixing, but my blender cannot contain this formulation, so I will use my spoon to mix it very well. You have to mix it very well so that the molasses and other ingredients can mix up together. So this is our formulation. This is the best when it comes to organic. This is the best treatment and preventive drug against Newcastle disease. And when you give your bird this concoction, you are not just preventing or treating Newcastle, you are also enhancing their immune system. You are also boosting their growth. You are also helping to prevent many bacterial diseases like Salmonella, E. coli, and other stuff when it comes to poultry farming. So this is concoction, and it treats many things, especially viral disease, which is a Newcastle disease and your Gumboro disease. So you as a farmer, if you are serious without formulating this thing, then to me you are a joker. So you need to formulate this. This is the right way of formulating it. This after 24 hours. After blending, formulating, you leave it for 24 hours to age. Then before you can administer. This is it after 24 hours. This is our Newcastle treatment drug, organic. This is it after 24 hours. So you see that the volume have reduced. I gave some to neighboring farms. I gave some of my neighboring farms so that they can use. This one is reserved for me. I have some baby birds I want to give it to. So you use your normal spoon to give them 4 spoons in these 4 liters of water. I'm not with normal spoon, so but this spoon is equivalent to 4 spoon, 4 small spoon, your normal spoon. So you add 4 spoon of your normal spoon, 4 full spoon in your 4 liters of water, and you administer it. You can give your best. It's best to give them as preventive drug. If you have outbreak of Newcastle disease, which is one of the symptoms is greenish poo, administer it to them. Then you increase the volume to 6 spoon. in 4 liters of water when you have outbreak, but when you are doing preventive, you add 4 spoon in 4 liters of water. You can see my best. It's like they are enjoying it. Everybody want to test this new concoction. It's very, very good. It's very, very agile, and you can't do without this. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. I have many secrets to share with you in the future. If you want to join me on WhatsApp, the phone number on the screen. I love you. Have a nice time. Have a nice farming. Thank you. Please formulate this. It's good.